Hi, I'm Simon from the Red Ferret, and drones are very popular at the moment. So in front of me I have a cheap drone, which can film in 720p they say. It's foldable, it's small, and this is the Elfie Plus. So the Elfie Plus comes in a very nice case actually for the price. And inside the case you of course find your how-to manual. This is important because it's not easy. It's really not easy. And then some lavender. So this drone is packed with things. You get 3 batteries. I think these are all 3 batteries, at least 2, maybe one's a fake battery, but yeah, I think these are 3 batteries, which is epic because how many drones have 3 batteries included? This is pretty cool in my opinion. And then this is the drone. It has those fold out wings. As you can see, they click as well. That's pretty cool. It's very lightweight, and then you also have the screwdriver for screwing on some new wings if they're broken, for example, and then you have the charger for your batteries, and then you have the controller, which is a bit weird. This controller is not a usual controller. This works like this, so you have to control the vehicle like this, and then you go up or left or right like this, but going forward or going backwards is really via infrared like this, and it's very cool. It's a bit weird to work with at the start, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty neat and it works very well. So I really dig this remote. You can also, of course, use the app on your phone and control it like that on the app, but I just think that this is way cooler. On the app you also get a live view, because this of course has a camera which can be changed as perspective from a which can be changed, of course, to see other things. But I'm going to go outside and let you guys see how good this really works. Alright, so I've tried out this drone and I have to say I was pretty impressed by the way you steer with it, or the way you use the controller. I thought it would be way more difficult, but it was actually pretty easy. Also, I really like the 3 batteries. I already said that, but I really like that they include 3 batteries. And this drone is pretty good. The motion or the connectivity with the controller, so the response time is very low, so it responds immediately. You can't go very high because of course this is not a real $10,000 drone, but for some regular shooting outdoors, this is actually pretty cool. Although the image quality, the video quality is not amazing, I'm going to be honest. They say 720p, it can be 720p, but the colors are not that good on the video. So it's also a bit wobbly, in my opinion. But I've seen worse on drones this price and this size. So overall, I would say, of course, it's plastic. I don't think it's very durable, but you get spare parts, of course. But if you want to get your first drone footage, so you're starting to make YouTube videos, for example, and you want some drone footage in your YouTube videos, and you don't have a big budget, well then this can be your first starting drone. Of course, it won't be 4K, it won't be 1080p, it will be 720p at most. And it won't be that beautiful as well, but it will give you those aerial shots, of course, and it will give you also a chance to learn some controls on a drone and to learn how you film with the drone, because it's not that easy. Right, but overall, yeah, I would recommend this thing if you're looking for a cheap first drone to film something and to have some extra abilities, some extra batteries as well, and some extra propellers. Yeah, this is a perfect drone to learn and film. Right, if you have any questions regarding the Elfie Plus, let them know in the comment section down below, and I'll be very glad to help you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. If you didn't, leave a dislike and tell us why, so we can improve our videos. And I hope I'll see you, yes, you who's watching this behind your phone or behind your computer screen, I don't know, in our next video. Bye bye.